Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on sign into your Galaxy. Now from here, just tap on sign in with Google. Now from here, just select your Gmail ID and tap on continue. Now from here, just tap on select all. Now just scroll down and tap on continue. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds and select I have read and agreed to all the above. Now from here, just tap on agree. Now from here, just enter your first name and last name, and from here you can enter your date of birth. Just like that. Now once you enter your first name and last name, just tap on done. Now from here, just enter your phone number. Now once you enter your phone number, just tap on send. Now from here, just enter the code which will come on the phone number which you have entered. Now once you enter the code, just tap on verify. Now from here, just tap on OK and tap on get started. Now from here you can update Samsung Pass to the latest version, or you can tap on later to update it later. Then tap on continue. Now from here you can use your fingerprint as a verification method for your Samsung Pass, or you can use a PIN, a password, or a pattern instead. Now from here, just tap on next. Now from here, just enter a screen lock method which you like. I will select the PIN. Now from here, just create your PIN. Now once you create your PIN, just tap on continue. Now just tap on use anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now once you confirm your PIN, just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on done. Now as you can see, this is how you can create your Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.